Hello everyone and welcome to the channel or welcome back. My name is Olivier and in today's video I want to share about I don't know, the pros and cons of guided versus unguided meditation. So first I want to talk about guided meditation. I think that guided meditations are a helpful and a skillful way to get started with meditation. One of the benefits of guided meditation is that you don't have to remember the instructions. You can just listen to the voice and just get carried by the meditation teacher. The second benefit, I think, is also it helps to build the concentration. When you first start meditation, maybe you don't have a very strong concentration, so your mind travels away for a long time. And when you hear the prompts or the voice, it helps you to notice where you are at and to come back to your breathing. So I found that it's helpful to build concentration. The third benefit of a guided meditation is that it allows me to completely relax because I don't have to generate and maintain my concentration. So I use it a lot for practicing deep relaxation. Deep relaxation is a type of meditation where we scan our body from head to toe, for example, and we try to relax all the tension that we have in our body. As I have said before, our body is a container for our experiences. So when we feel stressed, when we feel angry, when we feel fearful, it locks down into our body without us being completely aware of it. And so in deep relaxation, we let go of those tensions to feel more at ease. So for this type of meditation, I often listen to guided meditation because it helps me to relax even more. I also sometimes listen to guided meditation before I go to sleep, again, to relax. And the fourth benefit of guided meditation is that sometimes, I may have some difficult emotions, difficult moments that I need to face. And some meditations are very helpful because with the teacher, with the voice, it provides some kind of support and some reassurance, some comfort to face or difficult inner emotions. Guided meditations are great if you are learning a new meditation. They are great for relaxing. They are great if you need, do not feel alone, but feel that you are with somebody meeting your difficult emotions. So it can be a very skillful way to practice meditation. Most of the time, I practice with non-guided. In the previous section, I explained when I use guided meditation, but most of the time I practice non-guided. I practice with non-guided meditation because I enjoy the peace of the silence. When I listen to a guided meditation, if I know what I want to do, the prompts can become a distraction. And so in those moments, in those times, I prefer silence. Also, it helps me to better listen to what is happening inside of me, to better listen to my thoughts, to better listen to my breathing, to better listen to the sensations in my body. There is no right or wrong. There is no do or don'ts about guided or unguided meditation. Practice with whatever you want, whatever you enjoy, and try. If you don't do guided meditations, listen to a few guided meditations. See if you can learn something from it. and vice versa. In the future on this channel, I will actually publish more guided meditations um, to accompany you during your meditations, to share with you and practice with you. So expect more guided meditation on this channel. I hope you will like them. And yeah, let me know what kind of meditations you would like to listen to, if they are helpful. And that's it for today. So don't forget to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed today's video, and to subscribe if you haven't done so. And I will see you very soon. Thank you so much.